Now we've got kind of a mullet.
I'm gonna shave it.
You sure? 100%. It might come out really horrible. Are you gonna cry? Are you gonna say, Mommy, it's okay?
Mommy, it's okay.
Yeah. This is so hard. We're here today because I'm gonna be doing another haircut. I am not a professional. I do not have a clue what I'm doing. I am just a mom who doesn't want to take her kids to the hair salon because one, it's expensive, and two, risk of exposure of us and other people, and who knows. This one is requesting a boy haircut. She just means short. So I'm thinking like a pixie cut. And if it goes well, you can use it as motivation and confidence that you can do it too.
How to do it.
And if it goes terribly, then you can have a laugh at us.
Don't do it.
It's just hair.
It's just hair.
It grows back. I think we need to wet it. I think I'm just gonna chop it all off and then go from there. You wanna leave some space between the goal length, that way you have room to fix it. You don't wanna go straight for the length you want. If you're an amateur like me, that's a bad idea. And I have terrible scissors. I also wanna give her a chance to not go all the way to a pixie cut. Look down. You'll see when they look down versus look up, hair sticks out and does crazy things. Oh, see, this is cute. Okay, give them a look, see how it looks right now. We chopped it off, Bob. You're gonna keep it like that?
No.
Shorter?
Like a boy.
Well, I'm scared. I don't know how to do. You wanna shave it?
Like a boy.
Is it because you feel like you're a boy, or you just like short hair so it's not in your face?
So it half where it's not in my face.
I'm scared.
You're just saving it on his back.
Are you sure? 100%. It might come out really horrible. Are you gonna cry? Are you gonna say, Mommy, it's okay?
Mommy, it's okay.
Okay. All right. We're on Pixie. Oh, that's fun. We're gonna go shorter and shorter. That way we don't go too far. Now we've got kind of a mullet. Oh, this could be cute. Still going, Emmy. You okay? All the hair?
Yeah.
I know. Let's have a look. Let's assess.
Not like a boy.
It's gonna be Emmy's own style.
Cut again.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. It's turning into like the Dorothy Hamill. It's so hard. You gonna shave it?
I'm gonna shave it.
Yeah. This is so hard. I mean, we're gonna try some more layers. It's gotta be more choppy. We're getting there. I like your cut, G. Let's stop over her head.
What do you think?
Let's see. Turn. Whoa! She shaved the back. It's definitely an original haircut. We got shaved in the back. We got Pixie in the front. We kept the little sideburns. Come look at the back. Turn around.
I love it.
Aww, so sweet. It's just hair, right?
I'm gonna take this out because I was so itchy. That's the Pixie.
I love the Pixie too. All right, so my little PSA is that when your gut tells you to stop and find a tutorial because you have no idea what you have gotten yourself into,
Listen to your gut.
don't just keep chopping. In my case, it kind of came out all right. It's growing on me. She loves it, and that's the most important thing. And we had fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my hilarious attempt. And make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. I color my hair every few months. Stay tuned. Bye.